Pets Imperial Extra Large Insulated Wooden Norfolk Dog Kennel with removable floor for easy cleaning. 2 support rails allows kennel take weight up to 154 pounds. Removable floor for easy cleaning, maintenance and pest control. Roof that opens with 2 locking arms. External dimensions of Norfolk Dog Kennel: 3 feet 8 watts x 2 feet 5 d x 2 feet 7 h. Internal dimensions: 3 feet 3 watts x 2 feet 1 d x 2 feet 3 h. All panels are insulated. Insulation consists of timber, tongue and groove, 0.47, then 0.51 of Styrofoam, then 0.08 of plywood board. Keeps your dog warm in winter and cool in summer. Walls 150% thicker than other kennels. Adjustable rotary plastic cap feet. Height of the dog kennel legs are adjustable. This allows your Norfolk Kennel to be level, even on uneven ground. Made from animal-friendly treated timber, designed to last for years. Raised floor to ground clearance allows air to circulate under kennel, keeping the floor dry and comfortable. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.